Hey friend, welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy you are here. So today we're going to be talking about finding the right bronzer. We all know the search can be pretty wild trying to target what bronzer should I choose, what is best for my complexion. So hopefully this video will help you because I'm going to be showing you my favorite bronzer. This is a powder bronzer. It's what I've been using for years and it has not let me down. It comes in so many different shades, so you can tailor it to your skin type. But I'm just going to show you two of the ones that I have that I feel like if you are my complexion or you are a little bit lighter, a little bit darker, I feel like something in one of these two palettes will work for you. And if you are not anywhere near my complexion, they have other shade combos that you will definitely find your shade in. So let me go ahead and show you what they are. You might already know, but they are the Juvia's Place Bronze Duos. They are so, so good. So the first one I want to show you is this one right here, only because it's the one that I use the most. So this is the bronzer that I love so much. It's in the color Deep Dark. And when you open it up, you will see that I was telling you the truth. This is the color that I use the most, and I love it so much. I'm going to swatch these for you so you can see. So this is the color I love, and this is a deeper tone. I don't use this one as much, but if I wanted to use it as a contour shade, that would definitely work. So if you're a little bit darker than me, then this shade will be beautiful as well. The consistency of these are so good. They're smooth, they're buttery, they're buildable, and they are long lasting. And that is what you really want to look for in a bronzer. So I'm going to swatch this shade right here for you. Put it right here on my arm. So this is the shade that fits me, I believe, the most. I mean, it just really warms up my skin. It's not too dark. It's not too light. It just makes me look sun-kissed. And it's the color that I always use. It's not too red and it's also not ashy. Like that's a problem that you can face with bronzers, especially in my experience. Before I found these bronzers, I was always finding ones that were too dark, more like contour shades. And the purpose of bronzers are to warm up the skin. So I believe that this color provides the prettiest warmth, and let me go ahead and swatch the darker color that's underneath. All right, and this shade, I'm gonna put a little bit more on here because I really want you to see the true color. And this is the color that is underneath. See how it's a little bit darker, but it all depends on your skin tone. We are not all the same shades. God made us beautifully different. So this could add warmth to your skin as well. It just depends on you and the look that you prefer and what complements your beautiful face. So I have done a video like this in the past raving about this bronzer, and my opinion on it has not changed. It is truly a bronzer that you could get and know that it's going to work for you every single time. And the price is only $20. This is very affordable, worth the money because it's going to last you a very long time. You can tell by the wear and tear on this box. All right, and let's move to the next palette. This is the color Dark, and it's a little bit lighter than the Deep Dark. So as you can see, I haven't used this one as much because I just loved that other one, but this one is just as good. So these two colors, as you can see, are beautiful as well. This top color here, I'm going to go ahead and swatch for you. I learned that I like to use this bronzer palette for blush because this one on my complexion is a little bit more red. So I think it's so amazing that you can get one product and use it for multiple things. You don't even have to wear blush if you don't want to. So this could be like a blush and bronzer mixture, and I love that for you. All right, so switching arms, I'm going to swatch this color for you to see if this is the color that you would like. And I love this top color right here because it is so beautiful. It pulls a little bit orange, so that's why I don't use it as bronzer for myself. But I love to use this color as an eyeshadow. It's actually what I'm wearing today, and I feel like it is just so flattering on the eye. But let's go ahead and swatch this for you. I mean, this bronzer is so creamy. They really, really did good on a bronzer because you don't want a chalky bronzer or a bronzer that's hard to blend. But this one is extremely smooth, so your makeup will blend effortlessly together. So this is that color right here. As you can see on my complexion, it's a little bit orangier, but it is so beautiful. And like I said, this can be used as a blush because orange blush is beautiful. This can be used as an eyeshadow, or this could be used for you as your bronzer as well. It's really, really beautiful. Okay, and the last one I'm going to show you is the second color here. I love that they give you multiple shades. Like they could just sell this with just one shade, but depending on your mood, depending on what you want to use the bronzer for, I love that they give you multiple options. So it's like a 2-for-1 for $20. If you have shopped for bronzers, or maybe you haven't, they can get pricey. And a lot of the powder bronzers from the drugstore that I've tried out, I haven't really liked. So I love that this is affordable and you're really getting your money's worth. I keep saying that, but it's really just a luxury product that is not going to be super expensive. So after getting that out, just want you guys to know that it's really, really good and it's really, really a deal. I'm just going to show you this color underneath. Now this one, this is the one I like to use as a blush because I feel like it pulls red. See that right there? I feel like that is so pretty and can be a blush and a bronzer. I mean, you can just do so much with these. So here are all the shades. Take a good look. Which one do you think will fit you the most? Because that's really why I'm doing this video. I want you to be able to see which one do you think would fit your complexion the best. So on this side here is the deep dark. This is the palette that you would want if you like these colors. And this one right here is the dark palette. Or why not get both and just do what I do and make them all work for you in whatever way you want them to work. Also, if you're more of a fair complexion, they have options for you as well. That's what I love, that their range is so good, especially since they put two in one. If one doesn't work, then the other one probably will. So definitely try these out. I love them so much, and I love sharing products that are staples in my makeup bag that I will definitely repurchase time after time after time after time. And I hope they never change the colors. They are truly just amazing. Let me know down below, have you tried these bronzers? What are your thoughts on it? Will you be trying it out? If you would like to try these out, I do have them linked in the video. And thank you so much if you shop through my links because that really does help me and the channel, and I really just appreciate you. And if this video helped you and you liked it, please before you leave, give me a like, give me a thumbs up. And if you are not a subscriber, please subscribe. I would love for you to be here. We would all love for you to be here because we just love each other on this channel. It's the most beautiful community on YouTube. So as always, I love you, Jesus loves you, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.